Ever feel like you're staring at a digital maze when you log into NetSuite? You're not alone. This powerful platform, while incredibly robust, can feel overwhelming at first glance. All those portlets, shortcuts, and data points. Where do you even begin? Think of the NetSuite dashboard as the cockpit of your business. It's where you get a real-time overview of everything that matters, from sales performance and customer insights to project statuses and financial metrics. But just like any sophisticated cockpit, you need to know your way around the controls to fly efficiently. That's exactly what we're going to break down today. Forget those generic walkthroughs that just point and click. We're going to dive deep into understanding why the NetSuite dashboard is structured the way it is, how to customize it to fit your specific needs, and ultimately, how to transform it from a source of confusion into your most valuable daily tool. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch on why mastering your NetSuite dashboard is so crucial. In today's fast-paced business environment, time is your most precious commodity. Spending valuable minutes searching for information or sifting through irrelevant data is simply not an option. A well-configured dashboard puts the information you need, exactly when you need it, right at your fingertips. This empowers you to make faster, more informed decisions, identify potential issues before they escalate, and ultimately drive better business outcomes. Now, let's get practical. When you first log into NetSuite, you're typically greeted by your default dashboard. This is a pre-configured layout designed to provide a general overview. But the beauty of NetSuite lies in its customizability. Think of this default view as a starting point, a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. The key to navigating your NetSuite dashboard effectively lies in understanding its core components. The most prominent feature is usually the collection of portlets. These are those rectangular boxes of information you see scattered across your screen. Portlets are the building blocks of your dashboard, and they can display a wide variety of data, from key performance indicators, KPIs, and saved searches to calendar events and recent records. Take a moment to look at your current dashboard. What portlets are visible? Do they provide you with the most relevant information for your daily tasks? Chances are you might find some useful ones, but also some that you rarely, if ever, look at. This is where customization comes in. Let's talk about adding and removing portlets. See that personalized dashboard link, usually located in the upper right-hand corner? Clicking on this is your gateway to tailoring your view. You'll be presented with a library of available portlets, categorized for easy browsing. Want to see a real-time snapshot of your sales pipeline? Search for a sales pipeline portlet and click Add. Need quick access to your to-do list? Look for a reminders portlet. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can add as many or as few portlets as you need. And if you find a portlet isn't serving its purpose, simply hover over its title bar, click the X icon, and it's gone. Beyond just adding and removing, you can also rearrange your portlets to create a layout that flows logically for you. Simply click and drag the title bar of a portlet to move it to a different position on your dashboard. Think about arranging them in order of importance or grouping related information together. For example, you might want to place your key financial KPIs at the top left for immediate visibility. Now let's delve deeper into the power of saved searches as dashboard portlets. Saved searches are essentially custom reports that you can build within NetSuite to extract specific data based on your unique criteria. Imagine you want to see a list of all overdue invoices for your key accounts. You can create a saved search for this and then display it as a portlet on your dashboard, providing you with an instant, up-to-date list every time you log in. This is a game changer for proactive management. Many portlets also offer customization options within themselves. Look for icons like a wrench or 3 dots in the portlet's title bar. Clicking these might allow you to filter the data displayed, change the time period, or select specific views. Take the KPI meter portlet, for instance. You can often configure which KPI it displays and set target values to easily track your progress against your goals. Another crucial element of dashboard navigation is understanding the navigation bar, typically located at the top or side of your screen. This is your main pathway to different areas of NetSuite, such as transactions, reports, lists, and setup. Familiarize yourself with the main tabs and their submenus. Use the search bar within the navigation bar to quickly find specific records, transactions, or help topics. This can save you valuable time compared to clicking through multiple menus. NetSuite also offers shortcuts and reminders directly on the dashboard. Shortcuts allow you to create quick links to frequently accessed pages or records. Take the time to set these up for the tasks you perform most often. Reminders, on the other hand, provide you with a dynamic list of tasks that require your attention, such as approvals, overdue tasks, or items to bill. Regularly reviewing your reminders ensures you stay on top of critical actions. Finally, don't underestimate the power of roles and permissions in shaping your dashboard experience. Your NetSuite administrator defines what information and functionalities you have access to based on your role within the organization. This means that your dashboard might look different from your colleagues' dashboards, and that's by design. It ensures that you see the information most relevant to your specific responsibilities. If you feel you're missing crucial information on your dashboard, it's worth having a conversation with your administrator to explore if your role permissions need adjustment. Mastering your NetSuite dashboard isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of refinement. As your role evolves and your business needs change, so too should your dashboard. Regularly review your layout and portlets to ensure they are still serving you effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment with different configurations until you find a setup that truly empowers your daily workflow. The more comfortable and efficient you become with your dashboard, the more value you'll extract from the entire NetSuite platform. It will transform from that initial digital maze into the powerful command center it's meant to be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.